Welcome back again with my YouTube channel Learn with Srinivasi. This is my fifth book of Grammar and Composition, Standard 5th. Lesson number 3, Nouns, Gender. The gender of a noun tells us whether it is masculine, feminine, common or neuter. Gender, masculine, feminine, common, neuter. Masculine gender, names, male, people or animals. Feminine gender, names, female, people or animals. Common gender, names, both male and female, people and animals. Neuter gender, names, non-living things. For example, man, father, king, monk, tiger, bull are masculine gender. Woman, mother, queen, nun, tigress, cow are feminine gender. Cousin, doctor, friend, patient, student, teacher are common gender. Book, car, chair, house, pencil, table are neuter gender. Converting masculine gender to feminine gender. Masculine, feminine. Lion, lioness, giant, giantess, higher, higheress, host, hostess, prince, princess, tiger, tigress, emperor, empress, god, goddesses. Sometimes no rules are followed to form the feminine gender from the masculine gender. Boy, girl, brother, sister, son, daughter, drake, duck, gentleman, lady, horse, mare, nephew, niece, husband, wife. A number of nouns change from the masculine gender to the feminine gender by adding a masculine or feminine word to the common noun. Headmaster, headmistress, policeman, policewoman, grandson, granddaughter, billy goat, nanny goat, postman, postwoman, landlord, landlady, brother-in-law, sister-in-law, bull elephant, cow elephant. Gender are of 4 types: masculine, feminine, common and neuter. Masculine का मतलब है male people और whether it is people or animals. feminine का है female people or animals. common है जैसे cousin, doctor, friend, patient, सब common. both male and female common जो होते हैं. neuter is a thing, living things, non-living things neuter होता है. और यहाँ पर sometimes you have to add ESS to the masculine gender. Sometimes don't add anything. Sometimes you have to add instead of full word master you have to add mistress. Number of masculine gender to adding a masculine and feminine word to the common noun. So the whole word you have to change. word पूरा change हो जाता है इधर. So this is called masculine and feminine gender. Let's do the exercise. Masculine and feminine, complete the tables. Fiance, fiancée, uncle, aunt, bridegroom, bride, nephew, niece, lord, lady, master, miss, ram, ewe, he wolf, she wolf. Now rewrite this sentence by changing the masculine nouns to feminine nouns. The fox ran and hid behind a rock to save itself from the lion and the tigress. The vixen ran and hid behind a rock to save itself from the lioness and the tiger. Fox, vixen, tigress, tiger. The man told his son to serve tea to the lady and her daughter. The woman told her daughter to serve T, to the Lord and his son. Man, woman, son, daughter, lady, lord, her, his, daughter, son. The queen said that the prince would be the heir to the throne. The king said that the princess would be the highness to the throne. Queen, king, prince, princess, higher, highness. The mare, the cow, the duck, and the peahen live on that farm. The horse, the bull, the drake, and the peacock live on that farm. Mare, horse, cow, bull, duck, drake, peahen, peacock. The postman saw the priest and gave him letters for the monk. The postwoman saw the priestess and gave her letters for the nun. Postman, postwoman, priestess, monk, nun. A prince, a duke, and a count were waiting to meet the emperor. A princess, a duchess, and a countess were waiting to meet the empress. Prince, princess, duke. The hunter went into the forest to kill the man-eating lioness. The huntress went into the forest to kill the man-eating lion. Hunter, huntress, lioness, lion. The headmaster called the boy and his mother to the school. The headmistress called the girl and her father to the school. Headmaster, headmistress, boy, girl, mother, father, his, her. So that was the end of the lesson nouns gender, lesson number 3, standard 5th. Thank you so much for watching my video. Hope you all understand the meaning of nouns and genders. There are 4 types of genders: masculine, feminine, common, and neuter. Masculine means for male people, feminine for female people, common for both the female and male, and neuter for non-living things. And then you have to add some the masculine genders, ESS, and then sometimes no need to add anything, and sometimes you have to change the word to the masculine to feminine. And this was the exercise. Hope all you understand. Thank you so much. Please do like, share, and subscribe my channel Learn with Shireen Qazi, and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Have a nice day. Thanks once again.